The Wind Correction Angle Interactive Calculator determines the heading adjustments needed to compensate for wind effects during navigation. Let's explore the input fields. First, we have the Calculation Mode drop-down menu with 6 options. Calculate wind correction angle, calculate required heading, calculate ground speed, calculate crosswind component, calculate drift distance, and calculate wind angle from WCA. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Wind Correction Angle. Next, we enter True Airspeed TAS, which is your aircraft's speed through the air. Then Wind Speed, the velocity of the wind affecting your flight. Wind Angle represents the angle between your desired track and the wind direction. The desired course is your intended flight path in degrees. Additional fields include Wind Correction Angle for other calculation modes, current heading, distance traveled, and crosswind component. After clicking Calculate, the Results section displays your computed wind correction angle, showing how many degrees you need to adjust your heading to maintain your desired course. The calculator also provides the resulting heading, ground speed, crosswind component, headwind component, and drift calculations. These values help pilots and navigators make precise course corrections to reach their destination accurately despite wind interference. Find the link in the description below